ट्रेसिंग ऑफ इलिप्स। इक्वेशन क्या है इसका, एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन ए स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर अपॉन बी स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 1, वेर बी स्क्वायर इज ए स्क्वायर इंटू 1 माइनस ई स्क्वायर। तो फर्स्ट पॉइंट फॉर द ट्रेसिंग, the 0 0 does not satisfies this equation. Origin does not satisfies the given equation. You can see it very easily when you put x y both are 0, then left hand side will be 0 and right side will be 1. It means 0 0 does not satisfies the equation. That indicate it does not passes through the origin. The curve does not passes through the origin. And the second point, replacing xy with minus xy and x minus y, instead of these two are minus x minus y. There is no change in the equation. See that. In place of x you put minus x, the equation remains the same. In place of y you put minus y, equation remains the same. Or directly combine them, you can say instead of xy you put minus x minus y, there will be no change in the given equation or the derived equation. Therefore the curve of this equation is symmetrical about both the axes. The curve will be symmetrical about both the axes. It does not passes through the origin. These 2 points. And the third, now from the given equation write x in terms of y and y in terms of x. So x square upon a square you can write as 1 minus y square upon b square, and y square upon b square you can write it as 1 minus x square upon a square. Now x square is a square upon b square into b square minus y square, and y square is b square upon a square and a square minus x square. For all x y belongs to R, because x and y both are the real numbers. So for all x y belongs to R, we have already have the concept x square and y square is greater than or equal to 0. It means a square upon b square into b square minus y square greater than or equal to 0. Simultaneously b square upon a square into a square minus x square is greater than or equal to 0. That indicate a square upon b square is constant, that will be removed. So b square minus y square is greater than or equal to 0 and a square minus x square is greater than or equal to 0. Now factorize it. B plus y, b minus y greater than or equal to 0, and a plus x, a minus x greater than or equal to 0. Now come to this equation. For this, a square minus x, 4 minus x square greater than or equal to 0. When we factorize it, it will be 2 minus x, 2 plus x. तो इसके 0 पॉइंट जो होंगे वो -2 और +2 होंगे. तो इनके 0 पॉइंट से नंबर लाइन पे 3 इंटरवल बन रहा है, फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड. नाउ व्हाट वी डू, वी टेक एनी नंबर फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट इंटरवल. फर्स्ट इंटरवल से आप किसी भी नंबर को सेलेक्ट करो. इफ यू आर चूजिंग -3, तो 2 minus -3 that is positive, and 2 minus 3 that is -1. 2 minus -3 it will be 5, and 2 minus 3 it is -1. So plus into minus is minus. In second, take 0. So when you put x equal to 0, as 0 is available in the interval from -2 to +2, so 2 and 2 both are positive. So product remains positive. This is okay. And in the third quadrant, in the third part, greater than 2. So greater than 2 you take 3. So 2 minus 3 it is negative, and 2 plus 3 it is positive. So negative into positive is negative. So in third quadrant it is positive. So for any such equation like this and this, you can write the simultaneously. You can write same situation. The variable lies between -b and b and -a and a. Now the variation of x from -a to +a, and variation of y is from -b to +b. It means that the curve does not cross this quadrilateral. Now, from the point A0, it lies on the curve and the curve is symmetrical about both the axes. Now you see that the equation is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1. So when x is 0, y will has its maximum value, and when y is 0, x is at its maximum value. So as x will increase its value, x square y square is equal to 1, then the y will reduce its value, and when y increase its value, then x will reduce its value. So x and y varies from minus a to a and minus b to b in the manner when x keep on increasing, y will be decreasing. When y will be decreasing, x will be increasing. So now from this point, if x is at maximum level, curve will proceed in the direction when x reduces, so it will go upward like this, and y will go downward. So it comes to 0 level x and y will be there at the maximum level, and same will be there when we go y maximum से minimum की तरफ जाएगा, means b से 0 की तरफ आएगा, then x 0 से minus a की तरफ जाएगा, and the curve is symmetrical about both the axes. The same curve will be generated below the origin, below the x-axis. So this type of curve we obtained from the equation x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1. That is the first point. And one more point is the curve is symmetrical about both the axes, and from very beginning we have a point and a straight line in one side of y-axis. So by symmetry, the same point will be generated in left side also. That is, one more focus exists whose coordinate will be image of this minus a0, and one more line means one more directrix will be there in the opposite side, whose equation will be, instead of minus, it will be plus. So it is a bifocal curve. Ellipse is a bifocal curve. That's all.